ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, may ladies din eh.
Magnolia against Shop Clinic, 91-87. Winner, Magnolia. Ito po yung best player natin, si Mr. Dagpin. 23 points, 5 assists, 6 rebounds, 2 steals, and 2 blocks. Career high yan niya. 23 points, career high. Ano pong masabi mo nung second quarter, naman yung kalaban ng 16 points. Paano kayo, anong play nyo? Bakit nagkagano na habol nyo?
Swerte lang, swerte. Pumasok lang yung mga 3 points. Pumasok ang mga 3 points. Yan lang.
Baka may gusto kang batiin sa...
Binabati ko si Casey Contreras. Sana magbayad ka na para makalaro ka sa Super Bowl. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Kokoy Dagpin. Our best player of the game, second game. Thank you.
Okay.